How to import database via phpMyAdmin and cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click on the phpMyAdmin icon. On the left side of this interface, click on the database in which you want to import the database file. A window opens on the right side. On the top bar of this window there are different options to perform different operations on the database. Go and click on the Import option. Some boxes are already checked to complete the import process. You may uncheck them as per your requirements. SQL format is already selected. Either you can drag and drop the file or you can browse your computer. Let's click on the Browse button. It opens a browsing window for the computer. Go and click on the file you want to upload. Click on the Open button. Here shows the name of the selected file. There is also a limit of 500 MB which is enough for this SQL database. Now scroll down and click on the Go button. That's it, we have successfully imported the selected SQL file into the database. Thank you for watching.